Hey guys, Minecraft Gaming here, and today we're going to be playing Minecraft Pocket Edition. I do have a seed. Let's call it... Alright, on an island or something. Yeah, we're going to be playing on peaceful. That looks like a nice place to live. They should really add boats. There was a spot I found last time. I had a pretty good mine. There was some diamonds. Found 23. Then I lost them all. Fell in lava. They all burnt. Ooh, no. Not this one. Ooh, might be this one. Yeah, it's this area. Alright, start chopping down some trees. Ooh. This feels a little small for me because I'm used to playing on my iPod. Now I'm playing on my dad's iPad mini. Our goal in this Let's Play might be to find some diamonds. And the reason I'm playing on peaceful is because I'm scared. Each video will be about 10 minutes long, I think. About 10 minutes. We're gonna build our house out of logs, spruce logs, just because I like the way they look. It looks cool. It's gonna be like a lake house. Could have a look at this little lake. We're out of logs. No. Put this out here for now. We have nothing. I wish the trees were like in Terraria, where you chop the first block and then the whole thing falls. It'll make Minecraft a lot easier. Alright. Hello, piggy. caves, and the new update made it a lot easier to find diamonds. And the weird thing to me was that I found more diamonds than gold. I think I might try to have like a full iron armor before I go mining. Or carry around a chest to put on my stuff just in case I die. Because it happened to me last time. Let's make some sticks. Now we can mine this iron. Been recording for 6 minutes so far. We have 8 iron ore. There's some coal here too, so we could smelt this. We're also gonna have to make a furnace. So we're gonna need to collect more stone. Down there, I think is where the diamonds are. Not gonna go there yet. Make our furnace and get this stuff smelting. I'm gonna continue building this house. That was our last log. It's becoming night. I'll stop recording right here for a while. Be back in a bit. Guys, I'm back. The reason I paused was because I didn't want to bore you to death. Well, when I was chopping down all these logs, got a stack and 44. Let's try to finish building our house. My axe is like, has no durability left. It's gonna break. It's a miracle. It's gonna break. It's a miracle. I'm still surprised it's not broken yet. Sorry if I'm not talking loud and not feeling so well. Now it's broken. some reason I still have a feeling I'm gonna run out of logs. Our iron did finish smelting. I think I might make an iron pickaxe and just make an iron axe. Alright. Try to do some parkour. I made a Hunger Games map on Xbox. It's of Terraria. It's on Minecraft, it's like Terraria. I think it looks okay, I'm not really sure. No, stuck down here. Okay guys, I think that's it for this video. This was part 1. See you next time in part 2. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.